We're here today in Belfast at the site of the first installed hybrid heat pump in Northern Ireland. This was installed by Refresh in collaboration with Phoenix Energy. Hybrid heat pumps are becoming increasingly popular among homeowners as they reduce carbon footprint. The external unit runs on electricity, which makes it more energy efficient. And the hybrid system can automatically choose the best way to heat your home depending on the outdoor temperature, heating demand, and energy prices.
So the hybrid heating system that we've seen in action today provides the best of both worlds to homeowners. It provides the efficiency that you get from a heat pump, but also provides the reliability that you get from a gas boiler to provide that additional heat that people have come to expect all year round.
Compatibility with combi boilers makes hybrid heat pumps a future-proof solution for home heating, with the ability to become more carbon neutral in the future when an alternative fuel is introduced into the gas network.
It's a really exciting time to be working in the energy sector, and not only are we working towards getting renewable gases into the gas grid, but also there are exciting innovations that are starting to be seen in the marketplace, such as the introduction of hybrid heat pumps. So we look forward to working with our supply chain partners to make as many of these solutions as widely available as possible to both private and public sector homes across the coming months.